What am I saying? To confirm, say, Sofwo Owusu Bempah, say Obema ne body guys me, you know, Oluma me bo di akasam, me no ni problem. Say the last, Reverend over 40 year by ye, me amin yabema kwekwenchi. He gets the same pastor. Emma never one saying, I say, yen yin to da, say yamia frame ameno. A kwame na mode me faso. Number 1, hope siadoye, and then a yiri gifty. And I saw from you know. Now I have been reconciled with them. Bola so. Me kwaya me watch nights. Yes, she said Juma to me so. 42 days in cells. Me yabusu Juma for not less than 20 years. Mana cells da. Because me nya konfobia manam proto evo against me da momo lava so. But me benya me Juma mono. The same pastors ana me tia busu fie. Ana me chia tithes any offering edema woman to car come fie e chia tithes edema woman. The same pastors and omo kabo mu say yan Jimmy wonya me Juma ni mu da. Eno ya do ba bia na ya me ja. So Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah the nation prophet papa. She ensem akwabra ne tina simpie so. E kade to so. I say our proof and evidence. So wo ni na di nkomo. So wo bema wo body guys mienu ayera. Ampampa no. Na wo body guide bako. Wayare wawu. Ene ne bako so wayare. Ene obewu no. Safana dream o. Sayede yo. Ayana kasakasa o. Ene waye video. Obi ni baby odi video ne koye. Nia woni baby odi video ne koye. Oni mo ne ho. And I'm Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah so. Ene ma Owusu ebaya makwala. Because na papa Bempah esuma Owusu ewo me ho. Ewo so tuom. Ati ma se ewo so tuom. Abra na Dominic. Egu papa Bempah ni mu ase ana mo pe Dominic. A discipline no. Me na me ma Dominic eba so tuom. Ema Owusu ene matata no mo. Just name them. Eba so tuom. Ebe fa Dominic. Ede Dominic call papa Bempah fie. So we were friends. Asophobia shia mpedifobia shia. Ama wetime di all the evidence at the amount. I will bet me their count and I will bet me their build like who case. But for you to come to the media to expose Owusu no, that day, nam say appear. What the Owusu life are to danger. Appear by your video no. Any na watching you no. Any na watching you no. And I real ball Owusu. And you say nyame atonsa afreno. And only God knows the reason why that guy has died. But Metna busu fear for not less than 15 years. Mana cells da. Many sofu be nin tokwa. Ewo my Ghana anymore. Many sofu be. I don't have any fight, any banter with any man of God in this country. And also in Chirame say, Boni asofu bi die dimye etwamu no. Semi din komo, anasa me kama semwa. I should not have the right to refer to whatever any pastor has done to me. Sasophobia yamadie mribi etwam, and I have decided not to fight any pastor again. That doesn't tell me say Boni asofobi di me no. If I'm making my point or I'm referring to my past tense, I should not go and refer it. It's also your brother. Now you are fighting for any pastor in this country. Now we will catch them me say, I didn't na meme makotine TV so, and I didn't na my program. Momo love na so, Momo love na so na yenko yenim. Enipa 1.5k. Momo love no so ema me. Sama mo love no so pena makoma ekosro na me fro so me fire, but me pesa me fire. Because I am not ready to fight with any akwa on the social media. Say it's not say nya asofo bi na sabe. Ye yom ade na enyom ya. Eka they will not allow themselves for any brother to defend them. I swear my Bible. Yenim and some bloggers be at the media no so akagu asofo so also enano enim guasia mudie gu asofo bi ntino you were defending but you can't defend because we wonu munsam no your own words and you wonu munsam o when I bet now bonten catch the Ghana for say so for sumasi say obema ne body guys mienu ayera What am I saying? To confirm, say, Sofwo Owusu Bempah, say Obema ne body guys me, you know, Oluma mi bo di akasam, me no any problem. I love you, I respect you, I respect your anointing. From the day I me no reconcile, I will not come back to insult you again. That, but Papa, sometimes when I am a mama who crying, I'm a bloggers, you know. I better Papa Bempah. Olumai, ubejina altar so I can't say. Woma blogger biankuma ubiemu da. I was very happy because bloggers no ebio. Woman no munsem awama kadia gu so. E was social media na so no. Yawo ebi wa na bia ye ko and they are defending me. Obi to say of Amankrado. Abra me ne Papa Bempah ko no. Amankrado was defending me. It is same Amankrado kan no. He was defending me. Eti no saneno. Samene Papa Bempah ni tokwa bi mu a. Now say Amankrado is giving respect to Papa Bempah. Eye normal. But you won't progress bia eja Bempah. Papa Bempah, we are my uncle. I am sitting here as a woman of God to advise you. Yawo progress bia omo gu hu fia che. Papa, sa okwana ba video ye ba bonti. I am the first person I'm a bet say to defend the great woman, the great man of God. I am the first woman I'm a bet say a bit defending the great man of God. Because at the end of the obiyewu. Na yes why video na akodu okwana ba ho na okwana ba ntimi faba police na munye hwehwemu na ode ba betanese Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah odi begu papa ne ufi me na me di kan be so video e defend papa no na obi ntimi defend sa de no me na me be defend Olumai no tie ne ye me ni nyansafo e na e kasa ana ani na nu ani na nsa ana ayi ye kan saying osofo kwame amo ene krobia mo ebetena ase no mu ye program ni hwie ye no ene omo da bloggers ya wo mo tai Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah echi ene omo bubodin bloggers omo bo omo din nyina so ya bloggers ya omo ti social media so omo di manimu ye fom omo di masori animu ye fom omo di mi kunu animu ye fom for kwame amo se obebobo bloggers ye di matem disrespecting my church, my ministry, my husband, my credibility. Sa bloggers ya no mudi matem no also for kwame amo ebo wo mudi say woman no mo ye Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah bloggers bolava na so she so we a blogger now the software be a I am still repeating it. Me say boni bia obema ho kwan ama software ne de waye no you will not go scot free. There was on tiasian go and cool yourself. Boni bia odi ubedi no you will not go scot free. I'm telling you people the facts. Kwame amo me amidi kan betena se be defend Papa Bempah no. Kwame amo betena se ebu bo bloggers din obo hintasem din ede na hintasem ye obo manasi din ede na manasi ye obo baby love din ede na baby love ye obo niami mpese me boni din po obo mu din someone na mo ye Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah bloggers e ka obi mpo na e ka kameka se there be Olumai ne so ma blogger bi ankoma no. That is why etin as me omo disrespect me I kept quiet because the Oluman has made a disclaimer. Say blogger bian kumano. By for Kwame Amo to come with Krobia and the other guy called Siama to do a program. Na bloggers are omu gumi hufi anopa ewia enumere di menim obani mo nyamfo sei amete ho ye di menim ene ma sorry e twitwi form. Mo betna mu TV platform so ebo boss a bloggers ni din say omo no mo ye Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah bloggers. Mankasa and me quote TV so and me preachy as a great woman of God. And when the Spirit of God come to me, obin to me in country, I say, why am I referring and answer me too full? I didn't be too full. Bola vonoso na me Kenya as someone jeremo. Social media no so from A to Z. Miss Obia Yamakwara. Mafiho. Men kun social media BM. We a penny be now be coming. Me do be jina like was stand. And I'm call TV so. And I'm say mo bloggers ya mama mo ho kwan. Ama asofo bi eyusu mo. Mama obi edi o. Mama blogger bi edi. Mama sofo bi edi. Bloggers mama mo ho kwan ama ye yusu mo. Ye wo kuro yi mu. And a blogger bi si wakodi Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah achi. Papa ne dina be gina ne altar so. A disgrace no. The saints no. O mini ye kum ne tiko apai. Samesha wana musu mo do Papa Bempah. Are you allow some bloggers? I want to say that you baby diatem. Do you think say ka baby me matem? Na my baby Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah tem. Na we juma abane ye chiaoka. Me se maguma juma no. I am not going to fight whether obofo, whether Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. So for be any Ghana ha me ni be ku be mu da. Say adie si na your past. Now I am referring to the past. I have my right to refer anything has happened at the past. That doesn't mean say I am going to fight with the man of God. Bola so. William my dear, I will come and give you a disclaimer. Say the last Reverend over 4 year by ye. Me be ma kwakwanchi. Me be ma me done pa. Me panasampa. Very great man of God. Me be ma disclaimer no. Ampa me ne ba bon saying. Obema disclaimer asumudie aba. Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah is my uncle. Oya me offer. I respect his anointing. It's a way a blogger. Na ya watching say. Makotine TV so as a great woman of God, me preaching. And I me making reference. Sa bloggers amoma mo ho kwan. Ema asofo bi yusu mo. Munhwe ye na obi eni okodi asofo ni bi achi. Ekokwa. And I am a typical example. I am a typical example. Me de menkwa, me di mi TV, me di me juma, me di mi sika. Na me tena busumfie ye juma echia tight. Ema sofo. Ni nyina mo no, abra Christo frɛ me. Ami benya mi juma mo no. We get the same pastor. Ema ne ba bon saying. I say ye nyi ntumu da. Say nyame afrɛ ma me no. Ekwan be na mo de me fa so. Number 1. Hope siadoye. Ene ne yiri gifti. Ene asofo mienu. Now I have been reconciled with them. Bola so. I have been reconciled with them. So me pese me punch names. Ene asofo mienu. Ene omo kabo mu. Ene G&J for. Momo lava so. Ene G&J for. Ene the so-called bloggers. And neno. Womo so womo do eja Bempah. Ene omo kabo mu. Me kwaya me watch night. Yes, she said Juma to me so. My ya watch night na wie me ko. And ye di nipa be ginam ma sorry street mu. And ye be su ye. Akufuado ye di me trum ye di me trum. And ye be chi me ko tu mu. 42 days in cells. Me ya busu Juma for not less than 20 years. Mana cells da. Because me nya konfobia manam proto evil against me da momo lava so. Ba me benya mi Juma no. The same pastors ana mi tia busumfie ana mi chia tight any offering edema woman no to car ko fie e chia tight edema woman no the same pastors and omo kabo mu say yan jimi wonya mi Juma ni mu da eno na dane ntokwa kase momo lava no so mame eno na dane ntokwa kase sa bre no na bia wo blogger na nne wo so wo kuma Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah eti obi kasem na someone cry your mom papa ni di na someone found because you want to build your page, you want to get your coins. Ubetum rikabe kon na abe provoke me. Na me di oluma inanim abe form e bi nsi biemu da. Me se magum adwuma no. Mum pa adwuma na monye. Momo love no so ema me. Momo love no so. Bola love no so. Na ye ni nkomo. Bola love no so. Be dear the evangelist Patricia Mrs. Siama. Beba. Bola love no so na ye nko yenim. Bola no so na yenko yenim. Enti se wusu di Papa Bempah. Na ye di asama to Papa Bempah so. I am the nipa mi di kan. Ebe ye that damage control. Ema wo ko na be pia bonte be wo na me say ma me ne me ko. Ena mi twa so. Emi ko pe be tna ye. Ena mu defend. You have your right to defend anybody you love. But mo mane nya se media na mo be to yen. Mumu bi abra ne yenye ba social media na so no sabre mpo na phone aye de ba social media so na munto bi o Mama ne nyama dwen say mona yenye ba media no so wache no. You are coming to dictate for us. Say you can't send be na favor sofuo bi na ye mo sofuo bi adin a Ghana sofuo bi enu obeso so ba won kuala wa beso so ebe di matem ebe cancel. Do you think I will come and give you attention? Say dem ni bi ya mama attention no. Mo gie nim guasie wo media no so from A to Z. Mo gie nim guasie e wo media no so. Obi anfo mo no masem nya bibia. You people don't have any credibility on the media. Eno ya do ba bia na ya me ja. So Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah the nation prophet papa. She ensem wakwabra ne tina simpie so. E kade to so. E say our proof and evidence. So wo ni na di nkomo. So wo bema wo body guys mienu ayera. And our body guide back we di kaya wu. Di atusu mienu aba. Say nipa we say oba be defended. Say obi yakwala ne na dwimu ya merempo na woni munyansa mpo a. The first accusation or the first accusation, and they were accusing you, say they have been in your house, your home, they have got the opportunity to talk to you, you have been recorded, and they have been recording you, and you were telling them, say Obama will body guys mienu ayra, and they even bring the proof and the evidence to the public for everybody to listen to what my uncle Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah, you have been saying to them. I'm pampano now body guide bako wayare wawu and a nebako swayare and obi wuno safana dreamo sayadeyo ayana kasakasa and wire video obi ni baby odi video ne koe nia woni baby odi video ne koe oni mo ne ho obiani baby a video ni free and okona ba bola ava no so emame and okona ba e de abeto abonten nipa no ba abonten be kanim guasesem e de to Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah so no. The same person gets the power and the capacity say oba be defended sa nyamana nsem we o kan to oluma ne so no ama eto Owusu na dwimu because eyawo and obebo audio emani to Owusu adwim. And yes, of course Owusu ya me ba and the man Owusu be ya me ba and say I got the opportunity and the relationship not in the sexual intercourse but like uncle and sister with Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. And Owusu was the father na Owusu the papa and Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah and the man Owusu ebe ya me ba. I don't know Owusu anywhere. And I'm Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah so. And the man Owusu abaya makwala. Because na papa Bempah esuma Owusu ewo me ho. Ewo so tuom. What ma say? Ewo so tuom. Abra na Dominic. Egu papa Bempah ni mu ase na mo pe Dominic. A discipline no. Me na me ma Dominic eba so tuom. Ema Owusu ene matata no mo. Just name them. Eba so tuom. Ebe fa Dominic. Ede Dominic call papa Bempah fie. So we were friends like brother and sister. And no nema Owusu ebe ye me ba. So point of correction. I don't know Owusu anywhere. And you true Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. Bola na so. And ma Owusu ebe ye me ba. Because Owusu was the son of Mama lava na so. Mama lava na so. Me ba. Mama lava na so emma me. Mama report to pages. Mama lava na so. Because Owusu was a son of Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. And I automatically become a mother of Owusu. Minumi enudia dance ye say. Abraham amin gegemo ba Ghana no. Owusu ana a guide mo. Abraham mo ba papa Bempah nchen e wo Ghana. Then time when I'm on papa Bempah and no. Owusu was the bodyguard for you two people. And Abraham benya misunderstanding no. Ana mo bana na mu bi na musuro no. And I told you say oh Owusu there because of our papa Bempah won't no. Oya me ba. And if you grano sabi di olumai na tem krana o to be frame me mommy olumai ne tete olumai ne yese. You see? Aha. And you know I can call Owusu for you. Say Owusu be den e be guide o. It's a meme catch now say met me afre Owusu be guide wa. Enye bone because I know Owusu our Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. Owusu any Reverend Isaac Owusu Bempah. Any adwuma ye biem. Waje ye adwuma okọ. Also phobia wonim say obe papa ni bia na also phobia wonim ni bia no ne ho kyere na okode ho. Let me come back to the point. Ya wo kroyi mu ana osofo apia ebe ye video tie ni ye. Ana samusa mu defend osofo ahụ. Eya me ya say eja Bempah wa ma ho kwan ama bloggers asa betu adi wachi ye defend papa, they are dragging you into social media problem again. Papa, so unya u peace ahụ. Yenu bi no, we love you from afar. Yenu bi, we love you from afar. Eti etoda misunderstand them in unya ye nyina aye true social media bloggers. Eti abra onumai o ka se wa chonwa free bloggers ho no. I was very happy that day. And I me kan makuma mu say the first love and I me woman wa bra na me wa busumfie. I would me ya wo doma me. Emma me be jina wo altar so. I won't reject me no. That love you have for me no. I would devote that kind. You say kai wo kanedono. I would devote that love for you. But me sure say as a bloggers be person omo chion. Sadu be sin tokom. Ma enipa di watem. But I am promising you say ya ma omo mishi emma muda. Kwa brani di Owusu Bempah betina social media so. Sawo wo nanum nsem abebo papa yeni mu nsem e disgracing wo media na so. Now enkrofo ogu papa deni mu ase. You the same person you want to defend. Also defend your end defending. Also the courage and the courage and the charisma and the boldness of voice and the ukasampa yet say ewo truth of voice mu say you are not comfortable for defending the great man of God. I'm telling you the truth. As a great woman of God, who truth, I say you are not comfortable to defend the man, and it's the real say. So be ye be man no be to aduane mawudia. When you are going for a banter, I was a woman who limits. Owusu, eko frɛ apia biblika, ɛna ɔmo kɔ hyiae. Tie ni ye. Ana pia be jira media so be ka kire Ghana for say obi anim entro a pia de ebeto me so a pia nim won a wo mo de ne kote ebeto abonten a pia nim wo mo a pia nim asofo a wo mu di ni sa abone no a pia nim but a pia de sa abone na be hyeme ana pia committee Owusu and Owusu according to apia me I was not there apia ba ye no ono akasa ebe ye video. And appear bibrika be a video say he has able to meet Owusu. And Owusu has given him all the evidence. And Obia him say when it comes to a body guide, maybe to way so obey me body guide. That's a me deep bonia. So body guide in the deep bonnet. And I'm a boy. Obey Eddie Mechina me boo. I will command my body guys do this, do that. And for Owusu to go and meet Apia Bebreka, for Apia Bebreka to come out on the social media to make a video say makoshia Owusu na Owusu the all the evidence chira one no bro ne de ne kote eto so e dia mano and between me and you no Apia came to the media to confess it that day and I'm saying Apia has put this Owusu life in danger. Palavras that day. And I'm saying Apia has put Owusu life in danger. Say asophobia bro where you got so. Na obi ye sophobia body guide. Now wetimi ehia and I want to mean asophobia ehia mpediphobia ehia. Ama wetimi the all the evidence at the amount. I will bet me their count and I will bet me their build like who case. But for you to come to the media to expose Owusu no that day, na I'm say Apia. What the Owusu life at to danger. Apia be your video no. Any na watching me no. Any na watching me no. And I are ball Owusu. And you say nyame atonsa afre no. And only God knows the reason why that guy has died. But me, I don't have proof. I don't have evidence. It takes only God who can judge or dictate the person. And I are and I'm so. Emma boy ni yɛden efiri mu.
Ye kwa no man makro ma ye nyiprɛbo wɔ kwan so. Wo la la. Ɔdɔfo ɛdɛn ne wo ha, ɛdɛn ne wo dadwen. Yare bɛn na ayɛ kwankɔ a wo de chienchienchi a wonya no aduro. Ɛne na me kanfo Raboni Spiritual Research and Divine Medical Laboratory ɛde ama. Ɛyɛ Prophet Dr. Abednego ɛne da no.
A wise man will hear and will increase knowledge, but the fools despise counsel.
Prophet Dr. Abednego ye odifo a eweye mremu awurade ayi no ama wiase. Se sunsum yare bia aye okwanko. Dr. Edikre wo and na me kanfo Prophet Dr. Abednego Invisible Teaching Hospital powered by Castoplanto Technology. Kai Prophet Dr. Abednego enye pray for me. Inti hwehwe Prophet Dr. Abednego akiri kwan wo Insanwama do akiri Oreku Liberty House. Adase Fred Dr. Prophet Abednego 020-859-9576. Na say 027-8977-215. Intro do for Kai se wo twi bibi wo so na semba na bibi krem.